Hey, what's up guys? This is forthewinlbp here, and if you guys saw my Lego butterfly knife video, and you should go check out in Forop's tricks with it. But here's a trick that I found on my own. Alright, my sister's not for sale. Oh yeah, also I'm moving, so yeah, kind of a bummer. Alright, but here it is. I'm gonna do the trick right now. Alright, one more time. Alright, epic fail, so one more time. Alright, so basically how you do it is you start off like this. You fling it like this. This goes like this. Go like this. And still grabbing onto it. It goes like this. And you catch it. So let's do it. So I'm going to do it right now. Pretty cool trick, you know. Not the fastest trick, but you know. There's also this one. You know, it's a simple one. Just alright, when you're like this, go like this and swing it forward and grab it. So quickly. This works both for when the blade is in and when the blade is out. So really, you know, you can do this one whenever, and so can you do this one whenever. And now, some epic matrix trick. Alright, this is gonna come out open. So yeah, epic matrix trick. Practiced this long time. So yeah, watch my Lego puzzle box. Click on the puzzle box, and you're gonna go to the video. If you want a how-to, just comment. I play on PS3, you know. Might be doing a commentary soon. But yeah, my PSN is Osmar79. Yeah, project I'm working on. So yeah, thanks for watching. Peace.